In this video, we'll show you how to verify a video for Foreigner DSC using ProDigiSign Certifying Authority on a MacBook. Let's get started. To verify the video, ensure you have the following things ready: a MacBook, Chrome browser, video verification link, DSC's PID number, and the OTP from registered email ID. Firstly, open the video verification link on your Chrome browser, then enter the PID number and click on Send OTP. Enter the OTP, which is sent on your registered email ID, then click on the Track DSC Status button. Before recording the video, adjust some settings in your Google Chrome browser. Click on Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, then click on Site Settings, and allow permissions for the camera and microphone. Now, go back to the video verification link and click on Record Video. Click on Start Camera and allow the necessary permissions. Before starting the recording, ensure your original passport and address proof are ready to be shown in the video. After clicking on Start Camera, the video recording will begin. Please read the script carefully and ensure your original documents are clearly visible in the video. Once the video recording is complete, click on the play button to review your video. If everything looks correct, click on the Submit button. We hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.